if you want to be like the Flash, I would recommend you. I would recommend you. What is up, guys? Here Cydia coming at you with another video, and in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add sources faster. You're going to be like that Flash. Anyways, guys, with that being said, guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do not so you get more videos just like this. I make a bunch of how-to videos, and if you guys are interested in that stuff, then please, I recommend that you subscribe to the channel. With that being said, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add sources faster with Cydia. Anyways, guys, let's get straight into this video. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to go on Cydia. Alright, guys, so once you're seeing what you need to do now is you want to add the source down. Anyways, guys, what you need to do is tap on sources. And guys, once you've tapped on sources, what you need to do is add the source. I'm gonna also leave it down in the description. Alright, guys, so what you need to do now is just tap on edit, add, and here's the source. It's called julia.hackyouiphone.org. With that being said, guys, all you gotta do now is tap on add source, and all you gotta do is add the source. And after that, guys, you guys gonna be adding sources way faster than what I'm doing right now. Anyways, guys, what you need to do now is you want to go on the source once you have added the source down. So you want to go down on the source, and once you're on the source, guys, you want to go on to tweaks. And once you're on tweaks, you're gonna find that this app is called Cydia. So what you need to do is tap on it. And what you need to do now is install this thing. It also supports iOS 12, so you guys should be good, guys. Anyways, what you need to do now is just tap on install. So, and then after that, you need to tap on install one more time. Alright, guys, so once your device has finished the installation, what you need to do is respring your device now. Alright, guys, so once you've done all that good jazz, all you gotta do now is put in your fingerprint, or you can put in your passcode. It don't really matter. Alright, guys, so once you've done that good jazz, all you gotta do now is find the app. It's going to be on your screen, and let's find it right here quick. So it basically looks like Cydia, but with a little bit of, like Cydia, how Cydia has. Anyways, you can compare it in your mind. Alright, guys, so what you need to do now is you want to go on the application. Bam. Alright, guys, so once you're on the application, what you need to do now is enable Cydia. So what you need to do is enable it, and after that, just tap on close Cydia. And guys, once you have done that good jazz, guys, there's like all these other stuff, guys, and I would not worry about all that good jazz. What you need to do now is keep scrolling down until you find plus sources. So, alright, guys, so what you need to do now is just make sure that Cydia plus sources is on. So what you need to do is enable that too, saying close Cydia. And guys, once you have done that good jazz, all you gotta do now is just tap the home button and go back to Cydia, which is right there. Alright, guys, so once you're back on Cydia, what you need to do now is you want to tap on sources, and as you can see right there, guys, we have another little section here that says plus sources. So all you gotta do now is just tap on that section. Anyway, so all you need to do is tap on plus sources, and once you've tapped on plus sources, guys, there's gonna be a search bar right on top. If you don't like using the search bar, all you gotta do is keep scrolling down until you find whatever source that you want. But if you want to be like the Flash, I would recommend you go on the source on the search, and you can type whatever sources that you want. Basically, every sources that has ever been added on Cydia is always on here. Maybe not all of them, but most of the time you're going to probably find the sources that you're looking for. But anyways, guys, what you need to do is type in whatever sources that you want. So basically, what I'm gonna do is type in this source. This source is really old, and what I'm gonna do is just tap on it and see if it's actually on there. So, I space love apple. So basically, what you need to do once you have searched it up, all you gotta do now is just tap on the application on the source. Once you have tapped on the source, all you gotta do now is just tap on. You can either tap on save to my sources list, or you can tap on copy and then just go do the old process by saying edit. If you guys want to be the Flash, though, all you gotta do is just tap on add source, and boom, your source has just been added, guys. Basically, that's how easy it is to add sources nowadays. It's really incredible that this guy, his name is Julia, he made this thing, and I really appreciate that he did, because this really makes it easy for people to find sources on Cydia, and also add sources on Cydia. But anyways, guys, that'll be the end of the video, and I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave a like, and if you didn't, please leave a dislike. Thank you again for watching this video. Cydia is signing off.